finally Google has launched one of the best frontier model over there, and you can see if we do comparison between all other models, the Google Gemini 3.7 flash response is completely insane. So yeah, Google has recently launched their one of the most capable model, and which is one of the most fastest model ever. And basically name of the model is Gemini 3.7 flash, and it is cheap as compared to other top frontier model over there, but the response of this model is very much fast. Under the hood, it uses the D flash and a model multi token prediction architecture. Let's see some of the examples of this model generated by various peoples. If we compare this model, the comparison of 3D generation with as compared to other models such as Qwen 3.8, Grok 4.6 and Zillium 5.3, which are latest models, this model is performing pretty well, and the output of this is also pretty well. Although we can say the Qwen 3.8 response was better as compared to this Gemini 3.7 flash. But if we compare the speed between this model, the Gemini 3.7 flash speed was pretty insane and fast. Here you can see if we compare this model with Moonshot AI best model such as Kimi K3 for a Mario type of game. This model was also able to generate this with a very fast time, as well as the response was also okay, and the game development. So we have seen that 2D and 3D development. Let's see one of the most example best for a 3D generation like a Spider-Man type of game. And here you can see it was capable to achieve this low poly game with a 3D environment, with a 3D building structure. Just by a single text prompt, it was capable to achieve this game, which is completely insane, right? And this is this Gemini 3.7 flash. And if we talk about the speed, this model can generate up to maximum tokens around with a better response. And I will discuss about the benchmark of this model as compared to the existing model. But if I talk about it, can be capable of all type of tasks, and it can able to generate fast, efficient and type of Android based applications. You can easily use Omni Flash, Nano Banana and build your own custom web applications or landing page for your task. You can easily analyze. It has been capable to in a deep research and scientific type of task. Here you can see this. It is capable to achieve again give response regarding the any type of plants, and you can see this type of architecture related to leaf histology, anatomy of hibiscus rosa, and it is capable to achieve and generate this type of response with a better quality with a specific type of diagram, which makes this model very much capable, fast, efficient as compared to other existing model over there. You can easily ask any type of physics, history related questions, chemistry or mathematics, and it will able to generate the response with 2D and 3D preview, which is completely insane as compared to other models over existing today, where they hallucinate to generate this type of details regarding specific type of languages, but this model was capable to achieve it. You can see this was also generated the 3D model. It can easily generate and explain the topics. You can see this model was also generated using this Gemini 3.7 flash. So for 3D model generation also it is performing pretty well. Let's discuss about the benchmark of this model. If we talk about the benchmark of this model, if we compare in a web development code arena, this model is performing pretty well as compared to its earlier version, which was Gemini 3.6 flash, Cloudis 1.5, GPT 5.6 Terra and Musa Spark, which is Meta's new model. This model is outperforming pretty well in web development type of task. If we talk about this enterprise workflow automation as compared to Cloudis 1.8, Gemini 3.6 and GPT 5.6 Terra, Gemini 3.7 flash is performing pretty well. And SW benchmark software engineer type of task, this model is performing pretty well as compared to other existing models. Although GPT 5.6 Terra is performing pretty well in this software development task, but Gemini 3.7 flash is performing pretty well in all other tasks. So yeah, this was Gemini 3.7 flash. Don't forget to subscribe in next other video. Bye bye and take care.